Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add or buy USDT with Cash App. So let's get right into it. Now, USDT or Tether is pretty much a not a penny stock, but it is a sort of stable crypto or stable coin, which pretty much always keeps its value at $1, so that it's easier to use to trade crypto online on internet marketplaces. Now, you can very easily do this and buy USDT with Cash App, and I'll be explaining to you guys exactly how to do it. It's not exactly available through Cash App itself, however, you can use your Cash App account to purchase some. So let me go through this guide and explain exactly how you do it. Now, of course, you need to set up your account and download Cash App, of course, and once you've set everything up, you can then go ahead and start linking things that you need. So first, while you're setting up, you do need to link your bank account to the app, so that is pretty much standard procedure. Then you're going to need to select a crypto exchange for using Cash App. So for example, you can buy USDT and other crypto on Crypto Moves, Binance, or Coinbase. Binance or Coinbase are pretty much my recommended ones to use. Then while choosing an exchange, you need to rely on your preferences and consider factors such as security, user reviews, and the fee amount. Then you're going to need to place an order. So all you have to do is you need to select USDT as payment and enter the amount of USDT you want. Then you will be required to enter your Cash App login details and confirm the transaction. And if you use a pay-to-play, P2P or peer-to-peer platform, you have to choose the seller who supports Cash App and consider whether his terms of sale suit you. If you want, you can also use the Cash Card as a debit card, and you get it by applying for one through Cash App. It's the second icon in the bottom left, so you can just tap on that, get your card, and you can use it as a standard Visa debit card. And then once you purchase it and place an order, you just have to send the USDT to your wallet, and that is pretty much the entire process. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.